Hi everyone, in this video, I will discuss about Canva website builder review. First, what is its pros? Canva's intuitive drag and drop interface makes website creation accessible to beginners. Also, users can personalize templates with their own branding, colors, and fonts, allowing for a unique design. Their websites are automatically optimized for various devices, ensuring a consistent user experience across desktop, tablets, and smartphones. Lastly, Canva offers a free plan with substantial features, and its Pro plan is competitively priced, making it accessible for small business and individuals. Next, let's go with its cons. Canva's website builder lacks advanced features such as multi-page design, blogging capabilities, and e-commerce functionality, which may be restrictive for growing businesses. Also, while basic SEO settings are available, the platform doesn't offer comprehensive tools for advanced optimization, potentially affecting search engine visibility. The platform doesn't support custom coding, which can be a drawback for users seeking extensive customization beyond the provided templates and tools. Lastly, websites created on Canva may experience slower loading times, especially if they contain large images or multiple multimedia elements, which can negatively affect user experience. In summary, Canva's website builder is a suitable choice for individuals and small businesses seeking a straightforward, visually appealing online presence without the need for advanced features. However, for those requiring more complex functionalities, alternative platforms may be more appropriate. And that's basically it.